Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Afterpay Sandbox, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and navigate the Afterpay Sandbox environment. Afterpay is a popular buy now pay later service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. The Sandbox environment is a testing platform that enables merchants and developers to test and integrate Afterpay into their websites and applications. To get started, you need to create an Afterpay account and apply for a Sandbox account. Once approved, you will receive a unique merchant ID and API keys that will be used to authenticate and authorize transactions. The Sandbox environment is a replica of the live Afterpay environment, allowing you to test and simulate transactions without affecting real customers or transactions. The first step in using the Afterpay Sandbox is to configure your test environment. This involves setting up your merchant ID and API keys, and configuring your test website or application to use the Afterpay Sandbox API. You can find detailed documentation and code examples on the Afterpay developer portal to help you with this step. Once your test environment is set up, you can start testing transactions. The Afterpay Sandbox supports various transaction types, including purchases, refunds, and cancellations. You can use the Afterpay API to simulate these transactions and test how they interact with your website or application. Best practices for using the Afterpay Sandbox include testing all possible transaction scenarios, including successful and failed transactions, and verifying that your website or application handles errors and exceptions correctly. You should also test your integration with different payment methods and currencies to ensure that it works as expected. In addition to testing transactions, the Afterpay Sandbox also provides tools and resources to help you troubleshoot and resolve issues. The Afterpay developer portal provides detailed documentation and FAQs, as well as a community forum where you can ask questions and get help from other developers. In conclusion, the Afterpay Sandbox is a powerful tool for merchants and developers to test and integrate Afterpay into their websites and applications. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly and easily get started with the Afterpay Sandbox and start testing transactions. Remember to test all possible transaction scenarios, verify error handling, and use the resources and tools provided by Afterpay to troubleshoot and resolve issues. With the Afterpay Sandbox, you can ensure a seamless and secure payment experience for your customers.